Today I'm working on a timing belt for a 2008 PT Cruiser.
Before you take the belt and everything off, I would mark here, here, because it was in time to begin with. Make sure these two line up. This says front up, front up. These gears are exactly the same. If you did get these mixed up, it wouldn't matter. However, I like to put everything back where it come off of. So that's what I'll do, is I'll put these two gears, this on the intake cam, that on the exhaust cam, same place, just be on the safe side. However, these gears, it didn't matter. Now I'll mark here, here, and if you look right there on the top of the oil pump, there's a little pointer, and on the front of this, there's a little circle. I'll take and run down that gear cog and mark it where it's easiest to see. Now you got them all in line to start out with. Mark here, mark here. Then when you go to take it off, you'll know where these should be setting when you put it all back together. Another little trick is once you get it back together, if you'll take a straight edge, something that's relatively straight, put it across here, it should go about the center of the bolts and cover these up. If not, it'll be something like this or something like this, so that'll give you a good comfortable feeling. But if you've got these two lined up when you put everything back together, and that lined up, you shouldn't have no problem. Shouldn't have but a little tension. Should have tension on this side of the belt. This side will be slacked until you adjust your tensioner. The handy thing about this is this hole here is set up for 1/4 inch. Okay, first time, I'm going to snug it down. Alright, we just want it snug. You notice now we've got tension on our belt. Now then, I'm going to get on my crank, and I'm going to turn it 2 revolutions. You'll notice the... Now I do want to turn it clockwise. Same way the engine will crank normally. We can go 2 revolutions, and then we'll come back and check it. Okay, we're getting close. We get down there to the bottom. Bottom is lined up. Our dots is all lined up. Get her nice and snug. We'll check her one more time. Looks perfect. Now that spring looks really good there. It don't have to be right on the money, but you want it real close. If you can get her inside that cutaway, you're in good shape. Crank is lined up. All our marks is lined up. Perfect. As you can see there, that one's right on the money. This is the one tooth off.